In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a customer review flow in Klaviyo. This is a simple and efficient way to encourage your customers to leave reviews about your products, which can greatly enhance your brand's credibility and attract more potential buyers. It's a straightforward process and I'll guide you through it step by step. To begin with, open your web browser and type in www.klaviyo.com to access the Klaviyo website. You'll need to log into your account, so click on the login button and enter your credentials. Once you're in, you'll be greeted by Klaviyo's user-friendly interface. Next, direct your attention to the main navigation panel on the left side of the screen and select the Flows tab. Flows in Klaviyo are highly automated sequences that, once set up, work in the background to engage with your customers. We will utilize this feature for our customer review flow today. In the Flows section, look for the option that says Build Your Own. Clicking on this will lead you to a wide range of templates to choose from. We are specifically interested in building a product review flow, so go ahead and type product review into the search bar. This will display several pre-designed templates tailored for requesting product reviews from customers. Once you've identified the template that suits your needs, click on the Use Template button. This action will import the template into your account, providing you with a basic structure of the flow that you can further customize according to your preferences. Now comes an important part: tweaking the flow messages. This is where you can personalize the email content, ensuring it aligns with your brand's tone and resonates well with your audience. Consider adding personal touches like your company's logo and color scheme to make it more relatable and recognizable. With your flow messages adjusted, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen and click on Review and Turn On. You're almost there. From the drop-down menu, select Live to activate the flow. This designation ensures that the flow is operational and ready to start sending out review requests. Finally, make sure to click Save to ensure all your settings and customizations are securely stored, and there you have it. Once these steps are completed, your customer review request flow will automatically begin sending emails to customers who are eligible to submit reviews. This seamless process not only helps gather valuable feedback, but also builds trust and engagement with your customer base. Thank you for watching this tutorial on building a customer review flow in Klaviyo. I hope you found it helpful and straightforward. Feel free to revisit any part of this video if you need additional clarification, and don't hesitate to explore other features within Klaviyo that can further enhance your email marketing efforts.